Hi crafters, this is Jan and I just wanted to share with you my new cutting machine. This is the Skycut Cutter Plotter. It is a C24, which means that it has a 24-inch cutting surface. It's a big machine. It's approximately 38 inches wide from edge to edge. And my apologies for my camera not being stable today. My tripod decided to break. So anyway, let's get back to it. I just wanted to let you know that this is what comes in your box. Your power, a USB, 3 blades, 2 reds, 1 blue, a blade holder, and a pen holder. This pen holder. This pen holder is to help you get your machine set up correctly. All right. The blade holder sits right here, and it's kind of adjustable, not super adjustable, but I do like this machine a lot. It also comes with a mat. This mat is 12 by 19 inches, and I don't use that one because it's too clunky for me in the space that I have to use. So I generally stick to my other machines' mats. I'm using a Sizzix Eclipse mat right now. I've used my Kappa, and those are basically the two. I don't have any more Cricut mats, but the NiCappa and the Eclipse mats work well with it, and I would assume that the portrait or silhouette mats would work as well. You can purchase for extra cost the embossing tool. It has 2 pointed ends on it. One is a finer point and the other one is a more broader one. This is used basically for debossing your paper with a design, or can be used as a scoring tool. You could also purchase this. This is the engraving tool. It actually etches into metal and or acrylic. I have not used it at this point in time. Most of my work that I've been doing has been paper-based. So anyway, those are the two. You can purchase for an additional cost as well through a separate vendor. This is the pen tool. It is a little limited as to what pens you can use in it, but most household pens like Bic would work in it. Sharpies do fit. And smaller barrel pens will work really well. Tombow, I think, fit in there too. And you can also buy this from a separate vendor. This is for the foil quill. And it will fit into the pen holder or the blade holder. And nice thing is, hang on a second, let's see if we can move this around. All right, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this or not. There you go. USB, so that you could plug in a thumb drive or an external drive. The middle one is for your USB that would go to your computer if you are using it as a standalone. And the third one, the far one on the right, is for your power. All right, let's go back up right here. The machine comes, because this is a C24, it comes with 4 pinch wheels to hold your mat or cutting materials in place. All right, let's go around to the back. All right. Okay. The pinch wheels come with a lever. The lever is always in the up position. Never put it in a down position unless you're using thick materials. All right. To secure your mat in place, or your material in place, lift this lever and the pustules can no longer be moved. All right, they're stuck. I don't want to move these are set to how I need them for right now, so, but you can't, these are movable, and you make sure that that lever is up all the way. All right, okay, hang on, we'll be back in a second. All right, we're back. First thing is to get ready to start your machine and figure out how you're going to connect it to your computer, whether you choose Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, that's up to you. I'm choosing to use the USB cord just because I want to be able to use it in my studio downstairs and not have to worry about my internet connection falling out during a cut. It is essential that you know how to adjust your blade and your pen according to the material that you're using in your Skycut, because this is a little bit different. This isn't exactly plug and play. Sandy McCullough has created a fabulous tutorial and user manual. There are videos on YouTube, and I will link to the Skycut YouTube channel, as well as I will provide you with Sandy's user manual link as well. When you're using a red blade, you need to adjust your settings of the blade for the material and the mat by using 20 post-it notes. Really simple, makes it easy. Blue blade for slightly thicker materials such as foam. Foam goes over here, but some other materials that might, like fabric, you might use the 15. With 10 post-its, you'd set your blue blade for craft foam or balsa using this little packet of 10. This is really easy to do. Sandy also provides a link for this file as well. So it's easy. I like having this because it makes it really easy for me to set my mat material and adjust the pen or the blade according to this. If the blade or the pen rests on the pad, it's too low and you're not going to get a good cut. My apologies for that little drift of the camera. However, I'm hoping that you get the gist of this. We'll go into more details on setting up your machine, getting the blade adjusted, calibrating the camera, and getting ready for your print-to-cut, because this machine is awesome. There is a built-in camera that automatically registers for print-to-cut, and you have spot-on cuts. I have never had an issue with a cut being even a micro blade of a cut off. So that's it for right now. We will get back with you in another week with part 2 of using your Skycut cutting plotter.